What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get down to business. In today's video, I am going to be baking for you guys. A lot of y'all may not consider this baking, but I still have to whip stuff up, put it in the baking pan, toss it in the oven, wait for all of that, and then it comes out as cake. So yes, of course, to me, it's baking, and we're gonna bake. So for you in the back that's going, girl, it's not even baking. You know, they were just adding water and da-da-da-da-da. Shut the up. So yeah, for those of y'all who want to see me do my little baking, keep on watching. So first, I'm gonna show y'all the ingredients and the tools, basically. Hopefully, I have everything all laid out here and I did not forget anything, because in the first video, I most definitely did. But yeah, hold up. Alrighty, so these are what I'm working with to bake my cake, y'all. In the back, I have two dishes. One is what I'm gonna use to mix my liquid ingredients in. The other is what I'm gonna put the cake mix in, then add the liquid ingredients in there and mix it up. This is the cake mix that we're working with today. It is a chocolate cake mix, Devil's Food, that's what it's called. I don't know why it's that name, but whatever. This is the milk that I'm gonna be using in place of water. My 4 eggs right there. I wanted to do frosting, but upon my review I realized that I didn't have the machine mixing thing, so I don't know if I'm gonna use that, but I hope, or I think at least I can use that one to mix it, but I'm gonna try. These are some additional that I'm going to use to give the cake a little bit of oomph. If y'all know us Jamaicans, you know that we love to incorporate things. This is margarine, what I'm going to melt to use instead of oil. This is what I'm going to put the cake in to bake, and this is what I'm going to be using to do my mixing. So, yep. Okay, so I just showed y'all all the ingredients and all the good stuff that I have. Hopefully this turns out well. I'm kind of nervous, kind of anxious, and all that good stuff. Excited, yada yada yada. I really want to show y'all what I'm doing. I really want y'all to see me getting down to business. I really want the Cinnabon CEO to really look what I'm doing and to really look into themselves and say like, yo, Rafaya, lead you. So let me try to get y'all at a better angle. Alrighty, so this is what we're gonna have to work with, y'all, because I cannot get another angle to save my life. So starting off with all the wet ingredients, if there is such things, I am gonna start off with my cup, 1 cup of milk. No, I not have no measuring cup or nothing, so I just go eyeball it. No, I'm not gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna just throw some milk in a 1 cup. So I have 1 cup of milk. Bueno, bueno. There we go. Next, I'm going to add 4 eggs. I'm crack not my nose side, I'm not still, I'm sorry. No, I want to try to do it. Rafaya, why do you play all day so much? Oop. Yeah, girl, anger. Man. Yeah, girl, angle, angle, angle. Clean as you go, clean as you go. After my 4 eggs, I am going to add 2 corkful of vanilla extract. Now I am going to add my melted butter. And that is 1 bar of gold seal margarine. These are all my wet ingredients, so I am going to now mix them up. Alright, so I mixed. Now I'm going to put this right here to the side. I'm going to add my cake mix. I'm just going to make a little opening in the middle of it like this. Alright, so y'all, I was trying to focus and concentrate on not having spillage or whatever. So like y'all saw, so what y'all saw was me adding my dry ingredient, which is the box cake mix, to the bowl like I said. Then I added my wet ingredients, which is everything that I mixed with the liquid, and I'm just stirring. On the box it says you're supposed to mix for 2 minutes, so I'm just mixing until I see everything seems smooth, or I'm just gonna mix for 2 minutes. Also, I wanted to add, I should have added the spices when I pour the cake mix into the plate, but I didn't, so I'm just going to try and add it now. Hopefully it doesn't do or change anything. So I'm adding a little bit of cinnamon powder. If y'all know me, you know I love cinnamon so much. Now I'm going to add a little bit of mixed spices. Adding a little bit of mixed spice. I'm gonna continue to whip that up. Guys, this smells so good, for real, for real.